someone who's always had IKEA desks my whole life, when I moved into my new apartment, I really wanted to know if having a premium desk setup really made a big difference. Are the benefits of having a desk with sit-stand features, made with premium materials, are they really worth it? So Effy Desk was kind enough to send this desk over, but everything in this video are my own thoughts and I was not told what to say whatsoever. With that being said, here's my review of the Effy Desk and answering the question on if it's worth it or not. Let's first talk about what I like about the desk. The desk itself is the home office standing desk model. I believe they actually might have just changed the name on the website to the Grove standing desk. I got it in the walnut finish with the black frame in the medium size. So it's 59 inches by 29 inches. Let me first touch on the sturdiness and stability. The first thing that I actually noticed about this desk when I first set it up was how sturdy it felt. The wooden tabletop feels solid, it feels heavy, it feels dense, and you actually do feel the quality. And it's not actually the thickness of the desk that actually makes the difference. To me, it just feels like the desk is sturdy and dense. So it's rated to lift about 310 pounds, and honestly, I do not doubt that. Coming from an IKEA desk, this is easily the most notable difference that I noticed as soon as I felt the desk. You'll notice this too. The difference is actually crazy and it's not just height. And it's something that I really do enjoy. Sit stand features. So I've never actually had a standing desk before. I didn't really know what the hype was about and I didn't know what I was missing. Let me preface this by saying that I'm a pretty tall guy. I'm about 6'5". And I'm happy to report that this desk is still a good and comfortable height when I'm standing up. So my stand setting is about 40 inches and then when I'm sitting, it's at 29 and I have those set at the 2 presets. And to be honest, I don't really care about the health benefits of sitting versus standing. To me, it's more useful for the productivity when I just can't sit still. See, I'm one of those people that I cannot go extended periods of time just sitting in one place. So having the ability to just continue my work when I'm feeling restless by just standing up and doing what I'm doing, that's been a game changer and that's my favorite feature. And to be honest, I don't think I want to or ever can go back. And now the additional added benefit is since I create videos and content, I can precisely adjust the desk level to exactly how I want it to look based on what I want or what I don't want in my background. And obviously, the look. The walnut desktop with the black frames, in my opinion, looks so good and it really ties in my space together. It conveys a sense of luxury and to me, it's just so satisfying. Like whenever I'm sitting down and doing work at my desk, I just look around and I'm just happy. To me personally, the looks and aesthetic of something does matter because I do create videos and content. I want my space to be quality. I want it to look aesthetic on camera. So when I'm looking at pieces for my desk setup and the desk itself, it is a big factor. So that being said, I'm very happy to say that I'm super satisfied with how this whole desk setup turned out. And obviously the pillar of that is the desk itself. Okay, so there's 2 things about this desk that I did want to mention, but they're very nitpick things. They're really not deal breakers at all, but since I want to be thorough in this review, I want to convey it. One is the real wood. So this desk is made out of solid wood, and I do really like that. It's high quality, it's sturdy, it's made very well. That being said, the one thing that you have to keep in mind with real wood is that you have to treat it and care for it very particularly. And this is because real wood could stain, scratch, and whatnot. So for example, I saw a few spots on my desk actually yesterday night, and I was trying to use my nail to rub it out, and then there were some micro scratches that I caused just by that. Now it's very hard to see, like only in very specific lighting can you tell, but it is something just to keep in mind. Just take care of your desk. For example, if you're putting glasses on it, just make sure you use a coaster, just treat it well. And cable management. Now the good thing about this desk is that it does include a cable management tray that goes on the bottom of it, and it does a really good job on hiding the cables and the power supply of the desk itself since it's sitting standing. But the thing about sit stand desks in general is that you have to cable manage for 2 heights, the tall height and when you're sitting down. That means cable management is just a little bit more difficult and a little bit more cumbersome than at just one level. Luckily, your boy put on a clinic in this cable management. This is something that I'm super proud of. I got it all set up so that it's all routed under the desk itself at both heights, and the only thing plugging into the wall is just one cable, so I'll take my applause now. Overall though, the Effy Desk has been nothing short but amazing for me. It looks great, the quality is great, the setup turned out exactly how I envisioned it in my head, and I'm super happy about it. I'm somebody who takes pride in it because I believe that the environment you're in influences your productivity, your mood, and just your desire to want to get work done. So I'm actually going to be doing a whole desk setup tour showing everything else, all the accessories, so make sure you subscribe for that. And also I just want to give a huge shout out to Effy Desk. I really appreciate y'all sending me the desk, letting me convey my thoughts and reviewing it, and also helping me build this setup to exactly how I wanted it to be. Voice crack, damn. And Effy Desk right now is actually holding some crazy deals on their website for Black Friday. I'll leave their link below in the description, so make sure y'all check them out. But to answer the question, if you are somebody who is debating whether or not to invest in your desk setup, I say go ahead and do it. I think it's a very good use of your money because, like I said, it inspires productivity, inspires creativity, and for me, it's something that I get a lot of joy in every time I sit down, and that you cannot put a price on. I mean, you can, it's expensive, but it's worth it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure y'all are subscribed for that desk setup tour and a whole apartment tour because I'm really excited to get those out. My name is Aryan. Thank you again, Effy Desk. Thank you for watching so much, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.